Exercise 10.8, Class 12, Max. Okay. The question is, the equation of electromotive force for an electric circuit containing resistance and self-inductance is E is equal to Ri plus L di by dt, where E is the EMF given to the circuit, R the resistance and L the coefficient of inductance. Find the current I at time t when E equal to 0. So this is a typical circuit having R and L. This is the applied voltage. So the voltage drop here will be So the voltage drop here will be IR. Okay. Here the voltage drop here is VL, which is equal to L di by dt. That is, the voltage drop across R is IR and the voltage drop across L is L di by dt. Therefore, the applied voltage should be equal to the sum of the voltage drops. That's what this equation is about. So E is equal to R into I plus L di by dt. L di by dt is, L is the inductance value, di by dt is the rate of change of current. So this is the question. Now we have to find the current. So first step, what we have to do is, now we have given E is equal to Ri plus L di by dt. This is given already. You divide this equation throughout by L. So E by L is equal to R by L into I. If you divide by L, L gets cancels out and finally you have di by dt. Okay. Now what you do is, you rearrange this term, you bring all these terms this side, so you'll and other to the other side. So what you will be having is di by dt plus R by L I is equal to E by L. Just carefully watch this function. This is of the form dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Here dy by dx, here di by dt, here I, here y. The value of p here is R by L and the value of q is E by L. Now both are constant. E by L is constant, R by L is constant. The solution of this equation is y e power integral p dx, which is equal to integral q e power integral p dx into dx plus c. So this is the solution. So if the equation is of this form, then this is the solution. Here you just see carefully. So this equation is nothing but di by dt, R by L, you just substitute plus pi, which is equal to q. Now what is p? P is equal to R by L. And what is q? Q is E by L. So comparing these two equations, it is of the same format. So the solution for this equation can be readily written. we can write. So for this is the solution. So we need to know e power integral p dx. That means we have to find integral p dx. So integral p dx. Here instead of dx we have dt. That is integral, what is p? R by L into dt. R by L is constant. Integration of dt is t. Okay. Next sheet. Now we know the value of integral p into dt. Okay. Now we will substitute in the relation here. So in the place of y we have I. Okay. Therefore y, so we have I e power integral p dt, which is nothing but r by L t is equal to integral q. What's the value of q? E by L into e power p dx. P dx just now, that is p dt. We just now we have found out, which is r by L t into dt plus c. Okay. Now e by L is constant. So e power r by L t into dt plus c. So the next step will be e by L. Integration of e power ax is e power ax, that is r by L t divided by the coefficient of this, that is r by L. Okay. Then plus c. Left hand side you will be having I e power r by L t. Now if you see, this L and this L gets cancelled out. Okay. Therefore now we have to find I. So what we do is dividing throughout by e power r by L t. That is, you divide this by this equation by e power r by L t. Here again we divide by e power r by L t. C also is divided by e power r by L t. So what happens is, these two term gets cancelled. So you will be having I. Here you will be having e by r. This e power r by L t, e power r by L t gets cancels out, plus c e power, bring this to the numerator, minus r by L t. So now this is the current equation. Okay, that is e by r plus c e power minus r by L t. Now in the question it is given as when E is equal to 0. What happens when E equal to 0? So you substitute E is equal to 0. So this term will become 0. Therefore you will be having C e power minus R by L t. Okay. So the solution for the given problem is I is equal to C e power minus R by L t. So this is the answer. So that's all about this problem. Thanks for watching. Nandri.